Somebody drew a tiger using a TCL script, but nobody knows who. This is the tiger drawn by this creator. You can see from the script that it used actually a canvas. He drew a path using that canvas, but you can see that he didn't use any canvas. He used a canvas from the TK path package. It's a special widget in which you can draw paths. It allows you to draw like you would do it for SVG images. It also includes other features. For example, here I can easily change the black color used in this script by a gray color, and you will see that the resulting tiger is different. To use it here from the script, I use the call method, first parameter source, the second parameter the path of the file, and then I called pack on the Canva object named .c from the script. Be able to use TKPath with Python, you have to add it to your Python installation or your TCL installation in Python. So here is my Python installation path. There is a TCL folder. You add the TKPath library. The TKPath library must have the index file, the TCL scripts, and the DLL. So you can create these files from source, or you can do as I did. I downloaded this library from this repository that is related to another project, but it has the TCL file that's of the TKPath module that you can use for your installation. If you have TCL installed, you can add it also to your TCL installation. This is my TCL installation path. You can add the TKPath folder in the lib folder. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.